I'm sitting here in my 1977 El Camino project that we bought for the channel and wondering, did I just make the worst decision of my life? Are we even able to fix this? So as I was sitting here pondering, man, what have I gotten myself into? I was thinking now is probably a great time to take a few minutes, introduce myself, the channel, what you can expect to see on here, our experience or lack of, that kind of thing. So obviously, like you heard me say, first project on the channel, 1977 El Camino. We found it in a little side barn. You'll see all those videos coming up here real soon. The first one's going to drop next week. We managed to get it running out of the barn and back home into our driveway. And that's all we have. We don't have a big fancy garage. We don't have a garage at all. We're going to be doing everything right here in the driveway or in the backyard. We don't have a ton of tools and definitely not any fancy tools. If there's something we need other than the regular stuff, we're going to be having to buy it along the way. And there's going to be lots of things we have no idea what we're doing. We know the basics of stuff. Oil changes and taking care of disc brakes, drum brakes, not a clue. Can we change a rad? Sure. Do we know how to do a full brake system on a car? Not the slightest bit. Have we ever welded 4 floors into something? Nope, never. Do we know how to weld? Just a tiny little bit. All of this is new, but I can't wait for the adventure. It should be amazing. If there's something I don't know, there's a million videos out there. There's probably a lot of you guys that are going to be able to help and comment. And with all that, I'm sure we can get through this, right? There's no big budget here on the channel. We're just a regular working guy. We put in our 40 hours a week and we want to do something extra. We're just going to have to do some OT and buy some parts for this car. Obviously, if we can hide a few things from the wife, we'll do our best. But man, we want to still sleep in our bed at night. So if you're here expecting a Derek from Bike Scripted knows everything, or a Dan from DD Speed Shop that can pretty much put anything together, unfortunately I wish I was them, but I'm not. Maybe someday, through work and experience and doing the grind, maybe I'll get a whole lot better. At least that's the idea. Because once we're done this, we're going to be moving on to other things. Now, like I said, I don't have a big shop, so wintertime is going to come eventually. So like you heard me say, we are working without a shop, and wintertime will be coming here eventually. We're just in southeastern Ontario, so maybe we can find a garage in the box, throw in a propane heater, something to keep us going all winter. At least that's the plan anyway. Maybe if we can't work on the El Camino, maybe we can find an old snowmobile to restore. Maybe we can find a cool old pedal car. We'd love to hear from you guys. Let us know in the comments some of the things you'd like to see on this channel. So that's it. My name's Corey. This is Backyard Motorworks. We're going to be dropping new videos every Wednesday night at 6. Thanks so much. We'll see you again next time.